Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your system and privileges so installation is smooth. You need admin rights and a supported OS. Next, download Soft Ether VPN Client and the VPN Gate Client plugin. These work together to access public relay servers. Once downloaded, run the installer and accept required drivers. This enables TAP adapter creation. Make sure to temporarily disable other VPNs or proxies so the TAP driver installs cleanly. Because conflicts commonly, you install the TAP driver and then open the Soft Ether VPN Client Manager to create a new VPN connection entry. From there, select the VPN Gate public relay list inside the client and choose a server with low latency and high reliability. This improves speed and stability. Once you connect, watch the client status and confirm your public IP has changed and the route table shows VPN routes. If you need specific app routing, adjust local priority or use split tunneling settings inside the client. You finish by enabling auto reconnect and exporting your VPN profile so you can restore settings quickly. This prevents repeated manual setup. Then perform a DNS leak test and basic latency checks to ensure traffic flows through the VPN. They reveal routing or DNS issues you should correct. If the connection fails or is blocked, try alternate VPN Gate servers. Change ports to 443 or 1194, or enable obfuscation modes. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable firewall or security software to confirm whether they are the cause before reconfiguring rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.